Hello there, my name's Les Barber from LSB Decorative Painting over in Staplehurst in Kent, and I'm here today on behalf of Trade Decorator TV to provide you with a review of the new Wagner 4000 18 volt portable fine finish spray gun. If you enjoy the video, then please subscribe to our channel, leave a review and some comments, and then hopefully you'll find this useful. So those of you who have used the 3500 and the 5500 XVLP machines from Wagner, you'll find this no problem at all to use. It's basically the exact same kind of like top model, except obviously it's cordless. The only other difference is those two machines had a two-phase trigger system. This basically only has one. As soon as you turn the machine on, air comes out. As soon as you press a trigger, then the paint is then atomized. So that's the only kind of real difference. Apart from that, it's exactly the same kind of machine with the same kind of head, the fine finish spray head. No difference really. What surprised me more than anything else is the weight. Normally anything there portable with batteries is quite heavy. This is fairly, very lightweight. I haven't got big muscles and I find this easy to use. Even when you've got a tin of paint attached to it as well, yeah, you're not going to get arm ache or shoulder ache for using it any length of time. Time-wise as well is a key. Each battery has got approximately 20 minutes continuous usage. So it does come with two batteries. So it's always worth having your spare battery fully charged. I understand that it takes about 20 minutes to get 80% charge on the next battery and about an hour to get full charge. So it depends on how often you're going to use it and for what type of work you may need to get a third battery possibly. But yes, limitations are with batteries operating machinery is time-wise. I can see this being a benefit for those of you who spray cornices, ceiling roses, work from height, where you don't want trailing leads coming down and your turbine lead on it hasn't got enough length of the hose for you to get up the ladder. So that's where I can see this being of a great benefit. Or also doing exterior work on a garage door, maybe some railings, etc., fence panels, or you have to go in and do a small amount of woodwork in one room and you don't want to bring out your turbine, the whole machines, and there have been leads everywhere. Certainly I can see its place in anybody's toolkit. It's not that loud either. I'll put it on a moment and see how loud it is, and you see you can still hear me talking over it, so it's not particularly loud. The way it works, you've got the air control at the back, and on the gun you've got your fluid control here, your material. So those of you who are familiar with the 3500 and the 5500 machines, exactly the same way. There's no real difference whatsoever. So I will then show you now a video of me spraying a kitchen door, and then see what you think of it, and hopefully you'll like this video. Hi, right, so what I've got in here is some Caparol half primer, thinned out roughly 10%, and I've then used warm water just to sort of like say make it a little sort of flow a little better. Some guys I've heard use rice cookers. It's up to you, but whatever floats your boat. I just prefer to use very, very warm water, thin it out, obviously it's strained as well. So basically what I've got here now in my spray booth is just a kitchen door, and I've set the volume on 10 and then the air on 11. Again, you adjust it to how you feel most comfortable to give you the best kind of finish. Okay, so I won't wear a mask because I need to talk as well at the same time. I'm only spraying one door, so health and safety gurus don't give me a hard time. Okay, so let's see how it works. So if I then show you the type of finish on there. Me personally, quite impressed. So we'll do it again, show the other side. So as you can see, it's not that noisy using it. What I did mention before was on the back of the gun, or the back of the battery, it's got a little indicator, and it will then tell you what the actual battery level's like, just by pressing that button, and it'll tell you you've got what your charge is. So it's a fairly, they've thought of every kind of like scenario that you may come across with. So all in all, with the finish we're getting from that, with a bit more practice and me adjusting the settings, I'll be more than happy. I understand it's about £800 retail. To me, it's a good investment for anybody's toolkit. So again, on behalf of Trade Decorator TV, I hope you found this review useful. Please subscribe to the page, like, and then leave a comment. Anyway, good luck. Cheers, bye.